Hi everybody, in this video we understand the Power Query in Excel. It helps to clean up your data, transform or modify your data. We can clean up our data with the trim function, clean function, text to column, find and replace, remove the black rows. So different functions we have. It's not a problem, but Power Query it helps to make the easier to clean the data. If you are the business analyst and every month you have analyze, you have to need the analyze the monthly sales data. So you have to remove the some column, add some column, run some calculation, and then finally you ready to analyze it. So instead of you can let the Power Query do all of that for you and analyze, you can automate the entire process. So first question is come in your mind, where is the Power Query in Excel? So if you go to data tab in Excel and you can find the get and transform data ribbon. So here is the option transform data. So whenever we start the work on the Power Query, so that place name of the Power Query Editor. I will show you how can we use for the clean your data. And the secondly, I have the some data. So 2017, 2018, 2019. We have to need the clean the data with the Power Query. So let's jump on the PC and let's how we can use the Power Query. I have the some sample data. I just want to show data because why we use the Power Query. So I have the order ID, customer ID, but main problem is customer ID and the name both are the combined, or it's can be create the trouble to analyze the data. And cookie shipped. So cookie shipped basically is unit, not a uh, dollar amount. So we don't need to dollar sign huge here. So we need to remove this. Third thing is we have the revenue and the cost, but profit column is not here. So we need to create the profit column also. So some we have to need the transform data. So I opened a new Excel worksheet. So let's go. Go to data tab, get data, select this get data from file and select this from folder. So select this folder. I'm selecting this my folder. I'm selecting Power Query. The all sales data is here. So just open up. Now we can see the our three files 17, 18 and 19 sales data is here. So we have the options the combine, load, transform data and the cancel. So when I click the combine, so combine and load, combine and transform data. We when we select the load, uh, so and the transform data. So we have to need to combine the all Excel data and the transform. So select this combine and the Excel, and we are going to Power Query Editor page. Now select this the order date. So order data, and we can see the preview. So here the option our Excel sheets is, and looks pretty, and press OK. The process is start. So you can see the determine the automated transformation is the started. It takes some time, but yeah. So you can see the Power Query Editor page is opened in front of us, and here we all sheet data is. I let you know about the some feature of the Power Query Editor. So we have the option the Home tab. You can see the Home tab. Just a simple. It look like the Excel. So you can see we have the another the transform. So different option is the transpose, count rows. The trim function is also so different split column and pivot. So different options we have. Another the add column. You can see extract the character range. Different thing is here, and view. And most best thing is you can see the apply step. You can see the your right side. So we have the all step crossed. It's so yeah. Every step is recorded like a macro. So this is the Power Query Editor. So let's go, and you can see the source 2017, 18, and 19 data. So you can see is here. All all are combined. So let's go. So we don't need to for analyze the data to just label. So source name is don't need it. So just right click and then remove this. Simple. Here you can see the order ID. You can see the XXXX, and we don't need to. So how can we remove this the XXXX? So just go to right click here in search box you type XXX and the deselect and the press OK. So you can see the XXX is removed. Now customer ID. So you can see the customer ID and the name both are the combined, and it can be create the trouble to analyze the data. So just again select this, click right click and split the column by the delimiter. Press OK, and you can see the both column are the splitted. Just change name double with the double click customer ID, and this column name is the customer name. So it looks good. Now we have the revenue and the cost. So we need to create the profit. So just select first revenue and then select the cost and go to add column option. Go to standard. We need to create the sub stack. So so we get the new column. It's called profit. So just create the rename profit column and drag here select this three columns and right click and change type and convert into the currency. So it's converted in the currency. So you can see the right side, every step is the recorded just like a macro. So let's go to another. So we have the order date and the ship date. So we need to find out the day of ships. So select this ship date and order date. Go to add column, go to date and subtract days. And you can see we got the days. So just click, double click and rename day of ship and drag it here. So you can see the almost we completed the data clean. So if last order status, if you don't want to order status, so just remove it. So it's removed. If you want to if you want to order status, so you can go the apply step and the last you can see the cross, red cross. So just click on it, so you can get back. So you can see the order status is here. See, after complete all the data clean, just go to home, close and load and click on it. So you can see the option, the import data, the select how you want to view the your data in workbook, table, as a pivot, report, pivot chart, only create the connection. So different options is here. If you want to create the pivot table directly, yeah, table. So just we create the first table, then create the pivot. So just select this cell, location, and the press OK. So you can see the all data is here with clean. So you can see the all data here. So you can see the all sales data is combined. Now, if you want to create the pivot table, so just go to insert, go to pivot table and select this, select this new worksheet and press OK. So all options is here. You can see if you want to analyze the for example the profit, so just drag in values. If you want to customer ID or customer name, so just select this in row. So you can see the result as per customer name. So you can see if you want to change the something, so deselect customer name and select the customer ID. So you can use according you. And if you want to convert into the chart, so go to pivot table analyze and we have the option also pivot chart, and you can see the different bar pie line. So I select this line and press OK. So we converted the data into pivot chart. So you can see if you want to change, yeah, you want to see the year wise the sale. So just deselect the customer ID and select this order date and drag it out. So you can see the 2017, 2018, 2019. You can sell in the pivot chart, and then you can change according your requirement and the can design according you. So in this video we learned the how to transform data with the Power Query Editor and the Power Query to convert data into pivot table and the chart. So in coming video we'll learn Power BI also, and yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video very helpful for you.